Hello friends, Kalrao School Halol presenting this video for standard 10th English medium English. Friends, today we are going to discuss about a lesson from the book Footprints Without Feet. Chapter number 2, we are going to discuss the thief story. The previous part that we already discussed in video number 1 that already published. Those who hadn't seen that video, firstly go and watch that video so that you can understand what is the exact story in this lesson. Friends, we were discussing about two friends named Hari Singh and Anil. They both were living with each other, and Hari Singh's intention was to rob the Anil in any way, and he just become the friend of Anil only of this reason, only of this purpose. And after living 1 month with Anil, he got the opportunity one day Anil brought a bundle of rupees with him, and that was the night he decided to rob the Anil. What will happen? Let's see. Anil was asleep. He was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepping over the balcony and fall on the bed. Beam of moonlight means जो चांद की रोशनी थी, okay, it was falling onto the bed of the Anil on which he was sleeping. I sat up on the floor, considering the situation. If I looked the money, I could catch 10:30 express to Lucknow. What Hari Singh thought here, that if he pick up that money and went away from here to the station, to the railway station, at that time 10:30 express to Lucknow, he will caught and run away from this place with a lot of money. Slipping out the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. He was sitting nearby the Anil, okay, and he was by crafting, घसीटते हुए went nearby the bed of Anil. Anil was sleeping at that time very peacefully. His face was clear and unlimbed. His face was looking like without any tension, unlimbed. Even I more mark on my face, though mine was mostly scare. His means Hari Singh's looking is like a Hari Singh's face was looking like a scare. My hand slide under the mattress. He put it down underside of the mattress, searching for the notes, searching for the bundle of notes. When I found them, means when Hari Singh got that bundle, I drew them without a sound. I draw them out without sound. He put it out that bundle without making a sound. Anil's lying in sleep. Anil was still sleeping and turned on his side. He was turning over the side in the sleep only towards the me means towards the Hari Singh. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room without making sound, just startled, and quickly he went out from the room. Hari Singh picking the bundle of the notes and went out from the room. Anil was into the totally deeply sleeping. When I was on the road, when Hari Singh was on the road, I began to run. He was into the hurry. Why? Because he made the theft. He broke the trust of the innocent person. He broke the friendship, okay, after breaking the trust, and he was the very greedy. He proved that he was the greedy person, and he began to run. I had the notes at my waist. ही हैज़ द नोट्स इन माई वेस्ट. उसने नोट के बंडल को वेस्ट में छुपा दिया था, कमर के अंदर. विथ देयर बाय द स्टालिंग ऑफ माई पायजामास, स्टेलिंग ऑफ माई पायजामास, पायजामा के अंदर उसने कस के बांध दिया था. आई स्लो डाउन टू द वॉक एंड counted the notes 600 rupees in 50s. After reaching one safe place, he opened the bundle and counted the note of that bundle. After that, he find that it was 600 rupees. 50 notes bundle means each note is about 50 rupees note. I could live like an oil rich Arab for a week or two. He thought that 1 or 2 weeks he will be live a royal life after robbing this. But in his heart he thought that he broke the person of innocent. He broke the friendship of innocent. Here you can see in this picture that how the Hari Singh put it down or snatch the bundle of the notes beneath the mattress of the Anil, and Anil was in peacefully sleeping. When I reached the station, when Anil was reached at the station, I did not stop the ticket office. He didn't stop the ticket office. Why? Because I had never bought a ticket in my life. Anil didn't. In his entire life, he hadn't bought the ticket all the time because he was a simply thief. He was the thief. He was a rob. But dashed the slide to the platform. The Lucknow Express was moving out. Whenever he reached at the station, Lucknow Express was venting out from the station within a few minutes or within a few seconds. The train had still to pick up speed. The train still on the platform and it was moving slowly. Anil was into the double mind. Hari Singh was into the double mind that he will went away from here or not. I should have been able to jump onto the carriage, but I hesitated. Hari Singh said that he was able to leave away from that place. He was able to catch the train easily by jump over the train, but he was hesitated. For which reason? Just because of the trust and friendship which were made by the Anil on this fellow. For some reason I can't explain. Which reason? That Hari Singh didn't explain us, can't explain us. I lost the change to get away. I lost the chance. He lost the chance to get away. He can run away from that place easily, but he lost that chance by himself. He didn't move. He didn't move away into the train. Why? That he didn't know. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. Deserted platform means there was no single person were there on the platform. Only Hari Singh was standing on the platform and train was already gone. I had no idea where to spend the night. And Hari Singh didn't have any idea that on which place he spent his night. I had no friends. And Hari Singh didn't have any friend, believing that friends were more trouble than help. He believed that friends were, what he believed before he met the Anil, he believed that friends were there for making the trouble only. He didn't do the help. This was the belief of the Hari Singh towards the friends. And I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one in a small hotels near the station. There are many small hotels nearby station, but Hari Singh didn't allow anyone to curious on him. The only person I know really well was a man I had robbed. The only person in this city to whom Hari Singh know is the Anil. And Anil was robbed by Hari Singh. Anil was broken the trust by Hari Singh. So Hari Singh made the person cheated by his robbing. Okay. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. Hari Singh went through the bazaar from the after leaving the station. In my short career as a thief, because he was just 15 years old boy, so he has a short career of as a thief. I had made a study of men's face when they had lost their goods. He had many times robs many persons, and he showed every person's expression after losing their rupees or goods. The greedy man showed fear. The face of the greedy persons are looking as a fear face. The rich man showed anger. If he robbed any rich person, that fellow showed the anger on his face. The poor man showed the acceptance. Poor man shows the acceptance. But I know that Anil's face. But he asked about the Anil's face. When he discovered the thief would show only a touch of sadness. He just became the sad, just not because of the money, just because of the broken trust which were made by the Anil on this Hari Singh. Now for the loss of money, not for the loss of money, but for loss of the trust. Hari Singh thought that Anil will become sad. Why? Not just because of losing the money, just because of losing the trust. I found myself into the Maidan and sat down on the bench. He was there into the Maidan and he was sitting on the bench. The night was chilly. Chilly means thandi. It was clearly November. It is the early November. Early November means starting of the November. And the lights desert added to my discomfort. Soon it was raining quite heavily. After some time there was heavy rain fallen down. My shirt and pyjamas stuck to my skin. He was completely washed into the rain and his entire clothes was washed by the water of raining, and it was stuck to his skin. The clothes were stuck to the skin, and cold wind blow the rain across my face, and the cold wind were blow across the face of the Hari Singh. So Hari Singh now into the situation after robbing his friend, after breaking the trust of his friend, very much difficultly. I back to the bazaar and sat down onto the shelter of a clock tower. He was after thinking a lot of there. He went back to the bazaar. He went back to the bazaar and sitting down at the shelter of the clock tower. The clock tower showed the midnight. Midnight meant it was the time of 12 o'clock. I felt for the notes. They were dumb from the rain. It was dumb from the rain. सारी नोट जो थी वो बारिश के पानी से भीग चुकी थी. Anil's money. In the morning, he would probably given me 2 or 3 rupees to get to the cinema. Hari Singh thought that if he hadn't robbed the Anil, he would give me 3 or 4 rupees and told me go and watch the cinema. But now I had it all. But Right now he has all his money. I couldn't cook his meals. He now onwards he didn't want to work for the Anil, didn't want to cook for the Anil, run to the bazaar, learn to write about the sentence anymore. Okay, Hari Singh thought, I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the thief. Whole sentence I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. Now Hari Singh realized that he made a wrong thing. He made a wrong thing by robbing the Anil, breaking the trust of Anil. Because if he live with the Anil, he will get the educated person, and after getting the educated, he will earn more of the 100 rupees compared to this. So he lost a many thing in comparison of the Anil. He thought, I was simple matter to steal, and something just as simple to be caught. But to be really big man, a clever and repeated man was something else. I should go back to Anil, and I told myself if only to learn to read and write. Now he decided that he should have to go back to the Anil and told himself that leave everything means leave this kind of the activities, leave this kind of the behaviors like a robbed to the any person, and just read and write. After getting the education, I can earn many more monies compared with this in a good way. I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous. Hari Singh feeling very nervous to returning to the room, for it is much easier to steal something than to refund and undirected. I opened the door quietly, then stood into the doorway in a clouded moonlight. Hari Singh thought that it is very difficult to return that robbed money or robbed item to the person. Okay, so it is very difficult rather than steal that thing. So after reaching to the room, he stood onto the doorway, and it was clouded moonlight. Anil was still sleeping, yet Anil was not wake up. I crept to the head of the bed, and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. Slowly he put it down the bundle of the notes as it was. Okay. And whenever he was doing that, he felt the breath of the Anil on his hand. I remained still on a minute. He was remain still means he was still in the same position for a minute. Then my hand found a edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. And after that he take away his hand, and he was also sleeping. I awoke late next morning. He was awoke. Why he was awoke late in the morning? Because at night he was sleeping very late. To find that Anil had already made the tea. He showed that Anil had already made the tea for Hari Singh. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was a 50 rupees note between his fingers. My heart sunk. I thought I had been discovered. Whenever Hari Singh walked up from the sleep, what he shows, Anil was standing there with a tea, and he gave the 50 rupees note towards the Hari Singh, so that Hari Singh discovered. Hari Singh thought that he was caught by the Anil. Anil knows everything about last night. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now Anil told to the Hari Singh that he had earned some money Now you will be paid regularly. Now onwards, I will pay you regularly, because now onwards I will earning the money. I am able to earn the money, so I will pay you regularly. My spirit rose, but when I took to note, I saw it was still wait the night's rain. When he show about the note, okay, that it was वेट मीन्स अभी तक वो नोट गीला था. वाई? बिकॉज वो जो पूरा बंडल था दैट वॉज पिकअप्ड बाय द हरी सिंह इन टू द रेन. सो अनिल ये बात जान चुका था. अनिल नोज द फैक्ट दैट वॉट एवर मेड बाय whatever the activities were made by, whatever the things were made by Hari Singh that night. But Anil didn't say anything to the Hari Singh. Today we will start a writing sentence, he said. Anil said to the Hari Singh that from today he will starting to write a sentence. He knew, but neither his lips and his eyes showed anything. He knew means Anil knows everything about the last night, but he didn't spoke a single word to the Hari Singh, because his eyes shows everything. He didn't say anything with the lips or anything with the eyes, means he didn't show the anger on the Hari Singh. I smiled to the Anil in my most appealing way, and Hari Singh also a smile into the returning, and a smile came by itself without any effort. And this time whatever the smile came from the Hari Singh, it was real. Okay, it was not fact that previous smile had. Ruskin Bond was the writer of this story. So friends, here was the story about the two friends, Anil and his friend Hari Singh. How they become the friends, what was the intention of the Hari Singh, and how Hari Singh's mind was transformed from the theft as the good person. So this is the story about the friendship that I explained word to word. Okay, I hope you guys understood this story. Regarding this video, whatever the question answers are there, that I will send you through the PDF that you have to write down in your notebook. In our next video we will discuss about new chapter. Okay, bye.